Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I don't think this is the right place for racing, by the way. Why can't people just wait for their turn? I was sure I was about to see this guy get hit. I guess he's using his phone while running a red light too. Crossing over the double yellow line for an immediate red light. Why are you yelling at me? It's a two-way ramp, but only one car at a time. I'm not mad, just disappointed. Why didn't anyone tell him what to do with traffic lights? Rules are for average people, not for you, right? This idiot in the pickup truck nearly clips a semi just to make an exit. I know sharing is caring, but it's just plain stupid when it's passing a cigarette between cars at 55 miles per hour. This idiot in the Honda Odyssey tries passing on hills and curves. Minor accident in heavy traffic. Hopefully, no one gets hurt. This driver casually runs a red light right in front of the police.
Okay, Garmin, save video. Holy shit!
Typical entitled biker, running a red light. I had the green turn signal and was already looking right.
A few moments later.
Yes!
12 seconds later.
Not sure what's happening in front of you, but maybe don't try reversing on the highway.
A few moments later. Twenty minutes later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.